Hello friends, welcome back. Today let's try to install helloSystem in a Linux distribution. As we know, helloSystem is a desktop environment created for FreeBSD and it is inspired by the Mac design principle in 90s. Even though the primary target of the helloSystem is FreeBSD, as a platform independent project, it can work with Linux also, but the functionalities may be incomplete. If we check out the helloSystem website, we can see that there is one page on building the helloSystem for Linux. If we go through the steps, we can see that the documentation is for Alpine Linux, which is not very familiar for the beginners. So in this video, let's try to install helloSystem inside Kubuntu and see how much it is working. So let's head towards the Kubuntu website and let's download Kubuntu. I'm going to download Kubuntu 22.04. You may download Kubuntu 22.10 as well. So once the download is completed, we can either run the Kubuntu inside VirtualBox, or we can create a bootable USB pen drive and boot from that USB pen drive and proceed with the helloSystem installation. Please do not try it in production because helloSystem is not very well supported for Linux and you may not be able to make it usable at all. So please avoid trying it in production system. Now we are in Kubuntu. So we have two windows open. On right side we have a terminal window. On left side we have a text editor which is showing the instruction that we need to be followed for installing helloSystem on Kubuntu. Since we are following a different distribution other than the one listed in the official website, I have done some trial and error attempts and compiled all the instructions into a single file, as we can see on the left side. First of all, let's install all the development dependencies required for building Dolphin File Manager. It will bring a lot of development dependencies and reduce the number of dependencies that we need to install while installing helloSystem packages. So for that, we need to enable the source repository. Once it is done, we can install the development dependencies. Now the dependency installation is completed. So let's clone each of the repositories, install the necessary dependencies and proceed with the build. We have completed the installation of the core components of helloSystem, which is launcher, filer and the menu component. So let's try running it. We are getting a lot of warning messages because we are not running on a BSD platform and a lot of environment variables are not set as expect. After launching the core components and killing the plasma shell, we are getting something like this. We can see that there is a panel on the top and the window that's currently open is a filer manager, but we are not able to see any of the icons. We can just see the descriptions. On bringing cursor to the top left corner, we can see a overview window. I'm not sure whether it is a part of helloSystem or it's a part of plasma shell that was already there. On top bar we can see a system menu and a search component. In search component there is nothing much to search. We can only see one option. On right side of the panel we can see a calendar component which shows both date and time, and there is one filer menu which is probably part of the application that is currently open. Most of the options listed in this filer menu is not working except opening different applications using the list shown in this menu. The system menu lists a handful of options. We have a about this computer option. On clicking that, it opens a window which says that Hello Desktop is running on an unsupported operating system and will run with the reduced functionality. As we already talked, it is designed for BSD, so may not work properly on Linux. And there is one shutdown. Clicking on there is one confirmation pop-up coming from where we can shut down the system. So that is all for now. What we have understood so far is that it is possible to build helloSystem on a Linux platform, even on a popular platform like Ubuntu, but it is not completely functional, or it's not a desktop environment that can be used in day-to-day activities. It is pretty functional in the BSD distribution. You can see our channel if you want to see how helloSystem will be looking in a BSD distribution. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Distro Screens on YouTube. Thank you.